So hey guys, I'm Gajendra and today I welcome you all to my channel English with Gajendra. So dear friends, today I'm back here after a long time as I want to bring into your kind notice that I was ill due to the COVID and had been suffering from fever for many days and had so many tasks to accomplish. So I couldn't be here. For time being, I am here. And in this new year, 2021, we are going to learn so many new idioms and many grammatical aspects. And by God's grace, we have not only the YouTube channel, but we have started teaching online also. So if you are really interested to learn how to speak English well, if you want to learn how to write English well, or if you want to improve your speaking and writing skills, to join us. Okay, so just try to connect us on the email given in this video. Click mail me that what you want to improve in your English. Okay, for time being, I want to say that in this video I'm going to tell you two things about all. All is, all are. Which one is correct? The question is asked to you. All is well or all are well. Okay, in that term, if I ask you a question, how are your family members at home? How are your family members at home? So you reply me in that way, all are good at home. Why all are good at home? Because the family members are more than one, right? In that case, all, it becomes plural. This all refers to all the family members, right? In that case, all is plural. But when all refers to uncountable, you say that all is well. That this all doesn't mean people. This all doesn't mean number of articles, but this all means uncountable noun. Like we say everything is okay, everything is fine, everything is good. We say like that. What is this everything? This everything means uncountable. This uncountable is always singular. Okay, so there is a well-known saying, all that glitters is not gold. All that glitters is not gold. We use here singular helping verb. Okay, so why all takes a singular helping verb? All that glitters is not gold. It takes singular helping verb because this all is uncountable. Okay, same as all are good at home. This all takes plural helping verb. Why? Because we are talking about the people. If I send you to my computer lab and go and check how computers are, you went there, you checked out all the computers, you say that all are in excellent condition. What does this all refers to? This refers to articles, this refers to computers. In that case, all is plural. So all can be used for singular as well, it can be used for plural. Okay, it depends on the use. So all is also right sometimes and all are also right sometimes. But it depends on the situation. If I say all are good at home, that means all is correct because all is used for the plural. So all is used for the people. Okay? And all is well, that means everything is well, everything is good, that is uncountable. Okay, so this is what I have discussed with you, and sometimes people are really confused that is this all is or all are. I just try to solve this mystery, and in that video I hope that you like and your idea is solved here, your puzzle is solved here. So many students were asking this question that what is right, sir, all is or all are. So in this video I just try to explain in my way. So if you want to know more, please do subscribe to our channel and follow us on the page, on the Facebook page. In coming days I'm going to be live with your problems and we'll discuss with you all friends. So thank you. I'm waiting for your mails, and please do mail me whatever you want to improve in your English, writing or speaking or whatever. Okay, thanks for today. Bye bye.